239AA. This article relates to the Union Territory of Delhi. Through 69th Constitutional Amendment of 1991, Union Territory of Delhi is called National Capital Territory of Delhi, and the administrator appointed by the President under Article 239 for Delhi shall be called Lieutenant Governor. So the name is changed from Delhi to National Capital Territory of Delhi, and name of the administrator is changed to Lieutenant Governor. By changing the names, it should not make any difference as regards the legal relationship between governor and the Lieutenant Governor and status of that area. For this, we cannot object. As we have learnt in our previous videos, Article 3 states that the Parliament, which includes the President of course, has the right to change the names of states and union territories, to change their boundaries, areas and statuses. As such, we cannot question the legality of this 69th Constitutional Amendment, changing the name of Delhi and changing the name of the administrator. In Clause 2A, it says that there shall be a legislative assembly for the NCT, National Capital Territory of Delhi. Clause 3A says that legislative assembly of Delhi shall have power to make laws for the entire National Capital Territory. This we know, state legislatures have got power to make laws for the states. The same way, Delhi Legislative Assembly too has power to make laws for the Union Territory of Delhi. The Delhi Assembly can make law on such matters which are enlisted under the state list, under Schedule 7, List 2. So it is almost like the powers of a state legislature. However, under Clause 3A, it is said that the law made by Parliament would override over the laws made by the Delhi legislatures. Clause 4 says that the total number of ministers in the Assembly of Delhi shall be not more than 10% of its membership. This is a little deviation. We have seen under Article 164, the total number of ministers that could exist in a state shall be 15% of the strength of the Assembly, and Chief Minister is included in this 15%. Whereas here it is said that the minister shall not be more than 10% of the strength of the Assembly, and the Lieutenant Governor shall be advised by the Council of Ministers. He shall act in accordance with the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. Of course, in matters which require his own discretion, he is not supposed to follow the advice of Council of Ministers. However, when there is a conflict between advice of the ministers and the opinion of the governor, the opinion of the President prevails, and the Chief Minister of Delhi shall be appointed by the President of India, and the other ministers shall be appointed by the President of India, and their terms of office shall be during the pleasure of the President. And of course, the police force of Delhi shall be under the control of the Home Minister. At present, the police strength is around 90,000 to 1 lakh personnel. Thus, there is an unnecessary conflict created here. I discussed in several of my videos that the minister shall not be members from the majority party if it is not the party of the President of India. That means Mr. Kejriwal per se is not entitled to become Chief Minister, and his party men cannot become ministers. It is only party of the President which should rule any state. So even in Delhi too, the Chief Minister and ministers should be from the party of the President of India. Otherwise, we are seeing the conflicts between the Chief Minister of Delhi and the Prime Minister. In my opinion, both are powerless people. It is the President who is powerful, who is the elected person. Only his party men will be treated as ruling party, and all others should be treated as opposition parties, as happens in the United States of America. The President does not command majority in the Congress, and the governors do not command majority in the state legislatures. That should be an ideal democracy. If somebody has majority and also has the power to rule, he will become a dictator. He will oppress the opposition parties resort to rampant corruption, and it leads to individual rule, party rule, family rule, and caste rule. That is not the type of administration enshrined in Indian constitution. Indian administration is an umbrella model. The central strong pole is the central government, and the spokes hanging around that pole are the state governments. And the top cover, the protecting cover, the binding cover is the Constitution of India. And the person, the authority who holds this main stem is the President of India, while who enjoy safety under the umbrella are the people of India. Their representatives elect the President of India. This is the iconic model of Indian administration. If the union territory, by whatever name you call it, national capital territory or something else, and whatever system adopted to administer it, if we see the present situation of Delhi, the very purpose of union territories is lost. The president is not in control, the prime minister is in conflict with the chief minister of Delhi, they accuse each other. If the constitutional method is adopted, there would not be disputes between states and the states, states and the union, and there won't be midterm dissolutions or midterm elections to the states or the parliament. The country will be peaceful and prosperous for 5 years. There would not be political instability, uncertainty, immorality, social strife and poverty in the country. We are not in a position to avail the benefits of not only the largest written constitution but also the best constitution in the world. There is no wrong if certain territories are kept under the control of the President of India. We can see what is stated under Article 364. Important airports and seaports are under the control of the President irrespective of what is stated in the Constitution. So it is necessary to safeguard the country. In view of that, these union territories must have been utilized for housing parliaments, assemblies, the politicians, the military headquarters, the defense research and development areas. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I request you to please subscribe, share and comment on my videos. I will be glad to reply to your worthy comments. Let us take this constitutional message to the masses of this country for the good of the country. Thank you.